Welcome guys. So in this video tutorial we are going for a survey for different programming languages in 2020. I am not telling anything from my side. So we are going for survey. I am taking some insights from different developer societies, like I am going for Stack Overflow. So just open your Google Chrome and write here Stack Overflow developer survey. So after that you need to click on first website, like click on this, and oh, I'm sorry, it's not okay, and I think the second one, so right here. So we are going for survey here. I'm reading the overview. So first we are going to I'm going to tell you most love languages. So I this survey is in 2020, so we are dealing with 2020, and we will see what people want to learn in 2021. So in 2020 most people love this language: Rust, TypeScript, Python, Kotlin, Go, Julia, Dart, C Sharp. So and traded languages was VBA and Objective C, Perl, assembly. So most of the people wanted to learn, like Python was at the top of the list as we all people know about Python. So second one is JavaScript, Go, TypeScript. You can see here all your languages. So okay, so now we will talk about most loved, traded, and wanted web frameworks. So mostly people loved ASP.NET Core frameworks. After that, React.js, Vue.js, Express, Gatsby. So traded was Angular, Drupal, jQuery, ASP.NET. So etc. So mostly people wanted to learn React.js, Vue.js, Angular, and Django. You can see all the list below. So now we are talking about most loved, rated, and wanted other frameworks, libraries, and tools. So mostly people loved .NET Core, Torch, PyTorch, Flutter, Pandas, Deform. So you can see down all the libraries, frameworks, and tools. Okay, traded Chef, Cordova, Piphead, Xamarin, Hadoop, .NET. Mostly people wanted to learn Node.js, TensorFlow, React Native, Flutter, Unity 3D, .NET Core, Torch, PyTorch, etc. You can see down. uh, I am telling about most people loved wanted databases. So mostly people loved Redis, PostgreSQL, and you can see all the list here. And traded was IBM, DB2, Oracle, Couchbase. So you can see all the list here. After that, mostly people wanted to learn, so it's MongoDB, yeah, like Python and MongoDB. So it's like PostgreSQL, Redis. So you can see all the databases here. So I think there's a quite fit relation between Python and MongoDB, so that most people wanted to learn in 2021. So I am now telling you about most loved, rated, and wanted platforms. So mostly people love Linux, Docker, and yum yum. Okay, you can see here all the platforms. So I think rated, I think okay, depends upon the developers. And most people wanted to learn Docker, AWS. Okay, so I am telling about her development environment and tools. So here you can see Windows, Mac OS, Linux based, and BSD. Collaboration tools here: GitHub, Stack Overflow, Jira, GitLab, Google Shoot, Talksmates, where every developer want to learn. Every developer posted their questions, and you beginners learn from those. So I am telling you about researching tools. So I think there is a quite special way, like start a free trial, ask developers how work with I now work with. So visit developer communities like Stack Overflow, read rating or infuse on third-party sites. Okay, research companies that have advertised on sites. Visit research companies that have emailed me. Okay, so purchase influence. I have a great deal of influence. I have some influence. I have little or no influence. Stop paying technologies. Okay. Okay, what languages are associated with the highest salaries worldwide? If you talk about global, so Perl, Scala, Go, Rust, Ruby. If we talk about only for US, United States, so I think it's again Scala, Go, Objective-C, Kotlin, Perl, Ruby, Rust, C, Swift. Where is Python? Oh, it's quite down. So I think okay. If we talk about global, so different some different countries pay different salaries. So correlated technologies, how technologies are connected. So you can see here how technologies are connected to each other, like Python is connected with their different frameworks and libraries. Okay, after that you can see here all the like Linux, Unity 3D, Android and TypeScript, MongoDB. So I think most of the technologies are connected with some different ways. So learning and problem solving, learning new tech frequencies. So every few months, once a year, once every few years, once a decade. So what do you do when you get stuck? I think it's a very common question. When people stuck, what they search for? They search for their problems on Stack Overflow was the top of the list, as you can see here, which is Stack Overflow. Do other work and go come back later, watch help tutorial videos. I think also good for beginners. So call a co-worker or friend. I think that was the best way when you are a beginner in a company or you're a freelancer. Go for a walk or other physical activities. I think it's not a good way. You should pay attention to your problem and solution will be yours, and play games, mediate panic. So okay, already visited feelings. Hello all friends, indifferent, assumed, annoyed. For the first time we asked developers how they feel when they search for a coding solution online, and the first result link is purple because they already visit the link. Yeah. Employment status. Most of the people like full-time employed, student 12.2%, independent contractor, freelancer or self-employed 8.9%, employed part-time. So you can see all here. And if we talk about professional developers, so I think full-time developers, most of the developers prefer full-time employment. So a great number, 82.8%. Employment status by geography. Okay, if you talk about US, employment full-time 8.6%. Yeah. Okay, student 8.9%, independent contractor, freelancer or self-employed 6.3. If we talk about India, I am from Pakistan, so I think we are nowhere. So we will get soon in the world history. So don't worry about that. We are emerging like a star soon, inshallah. Okay, employed, full-time, student. What we can see here. Okay, overtime. Okay, never give company information. Company size. I am freelancer sole proprietor 4.9 2 to 9 company employees company 9.9%, 10 to 19. You can see all here. Onboarding, presence of DevOps, personal importing of importance of DevOps, career values, how do developers feel about their jobs. Very satisfied 8.3. I think they are, I'm sorry, I'm talking about very dissatisfied. That was 8.3%. I think most of the developers are satisfied with their jobs, so here we go for very satisfied 32.3%. I think it's a good because companies pay a huge amount for their jobs, so I think most of the developers are satisfied. So looking for a job, job search status. I'm not actively looking, but I am open to new opportunities. Like here, job search status by geography. If we talk about India, I am not actively looking, but I am open to new opportunities. Okay. After that, you can see here who actively looking for a job. Academic researchers, data scientists, or machine learning specialist who's actively looking for a job. Like you can see here in 2021, most of the people wanted to be academic researcher, or data scientist, or machine learning specialist, data or business analyst, designer. Okay, designer. Okay, great. Developers or game or graphics developers, mobile, educator, scientist, engineer, database administrator, developer front end, developers embedded applications or devices, developer QA or test. Okay, you can see here job hunt factors. So better compensations, wanting to work with new technologies, curious about other opportunities, growth or leadership. Okay, opportunities, better work life balance. Who do you learn about a company during a job hunt? Company reviews from third party sites. I think that is most common, because you can take company a job, because you can learn, you can from other sources like third party. You can ask to third parties about your company that you're working in. So I think that is best. Job priorities. Okay, you can see all here: men, women, and no binary. Okay, no binary. Weighted important job factors in US. You can see all here. So I think that is my video time is going very high, so I think I should end this video. Salary and experience by developer type, you can see here. Okay, I think you should go for it, in which portion you are interested, so go for that. And I think read thoroughly for their better understanding. So I think that is the best site for the programming language survey. So do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this.